In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add add-ons to your services in Square Appointments. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can customize your offerings and enhance value for your clients with ease. First, open your web browser and head to the Square homepage at squareup.com. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the Sign In button. This will bring you to the login page where you'll need to enter your Square account credentials. If you haven't done so already, take a moment to log in. After successfully logging in, find the menu on the left side of the dashboard and click on Items and Inventory. This is where you can manage all the services and products available to your clients. Next, select Items from the options, which will direct you to the service library. Here, you can choose an existing service to modify or create an entirely new service if you need to. If you're adding add-ons to an existing service, simply click on the service name you want to edit. However, if you're starting fresh, locate the Create Service button, typically situated in the top right corner. This process lets you build a service framework from scratch. Once you've selected or created a service, scroll down to find the section labeled Variations. Here, you'll see the Add-ons area. Add-ons are a great way to offer premium features or additional service time to your clients. By clicking Add, you'll be prompted to enter several details for the add-on. This is where you can input the add-on or variations name, describe what makes this add-on special, set any additional duration it might require, and determine the additional price clients will need to pay. Remember, add-ons can be shared across multiple services, making it easy to streamline popular features between different offerings. When you've entered all the necessary information for your add-on, make sure to click Save to finalize your changes. A final tip, you can use Square Analytics to track which add-ons are most frequently booked, giving you insights into client preferences and behaviors. Congratulations! You've successfully added add-ons to your services within Square Appointments. This feature is a powerful tool to upsell premium options and tailor your service offerings to meet the diverse needs of your clients. Don't forget to revisit and fine-tune your add-ons regularly to stay aligned with your business objectives and customer expectations. Thank you for watching and ensuring your business remains both flexible and competitive in today's market. Your clients will surely appreciate the added value you bring to their experience.